Hello, this is Jammal. Adieu, Ani Baba. Let's handle another Yoruba talking drum line. This one said, Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o, ẹni tó bá fojú òkùrọ́ Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Or ẹni tó bá fojú èkùrọ́ wo Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ekurọ is palm nut. And there's a little piece of it they use in Ifá divination. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o. Ifá is divination, Yoruba divination. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o. Ẹni tó bá fojú èkùrọ́ wo Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ọ̀rúnmìlà is divination, Yoruba divination. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o. Or some people say, Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ jẹ́, ẹni tó bá fojú èkùrọ́ wo Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ jẹ́. So like I always tell you guys, you gotta remember your do-re-mis. And after you beat it long enough, you will develop muscle memory for it. You won't even need to have to think twice about it. So you won't get into that phase where you second guessing yourself and you worrying about how to roll it. It becomes like blinking to you or like just walking. It becomes automatic. And you will know it. Once you get there where you develop your muscle memory for your beat, you will know it because it will just start flowing easily for you. So start will go with your do-re-mi. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ jẹ́, ẹni tó bá fojú èkùrọ́ Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ jẹ́. Meaning, ekurọ is small. So you're like, oh, that little thing. Gotta be careful. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o. Ẹni tó bá fojú èkùrọ́ Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o. Ẹ má fi kàn mí, ara mi ò bóògùn mu. Ẹ má fi kàn mí. Ẹ má fi kàn mí, ara mi ò bóògùn mu. Ẹ má fi kàn mí. Ẹ má fi kàn mí, ara mi ò bóògùn mu. Ẹ má fi kàn mí. So now we go back and string it together. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o, ẹni tó bá fojú òkùrọ́ Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá ni ó polúwa rẹ̀ o. Ẹ say, ẹni tó bá fojú igi tútù wogi gbígbẹ, yóò kú lójijì ni, yóò kú jàtijàti. So back to Ifani Opoluwareje. So when you listen to Yoruba talking drum, whether be it Aruna Shola or you listen, which is an Akpala genre, or you listen to Sakara music, or you listen to even high life music, try and listen to see if you could catch some of those drummers beating these particular lines. And then once you lock it in one music, you'll be able to pick it off if you hear it in another set of genre of Yoruba music. Guys, stay blessed, stay culturally fit.